Yo, what's up, YouTube? Sorry about any background noise. Real quick, I just want to let y'all know that Ethereum's probably about. You could leave it playing. Ethereum's probably about to take off to the moon right here. The reason I say that is because we just had a head and shoulders. There's a shoulder, there's a head, there's the other shoulder. It came up, came back for the retest, and came back up. Held the 6.6, the 618, and now it's coming up from that. And then over here, you see on the SMA, there's the Zeus. Go over there. On here, you can see the SMA. It just crossed over here on the 20 SMA, crossed at 50, and now the 20 SMA is gonna come up and cross the 200, and then slowly this one's gonna come up also, and then once the 50 crosses the 200, there's gonna be your golden cross, and you can probably see 4,000 Ethereum soon if we don't break down tomorrow, because crypto tends to drop a lot on Monday mornings, about 6, 7 o'clock before stock market opens. So just watch out for that. But yeah, there y'all go. You know, like and subscribe if the video helped at all. Or, if you got anything from it, but don't miss out. Might be your last chance. Might be, might not be. Find out tomorrow or next Thursday when crypto decides to come back up. All right. My bad for throwing the chart away. It's right here. But there y'all go. Look.